Thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood.
So today I'm going to demonstrate our Get Help feature on our Rallyhood dashboard. On the bottom of your Rallyhood dashboard, you will find the Get Help tab. Clicking on this tab launches a sidebar library of support articles from our Rallyhood FAQs. It is automated and populates answers based on the keywords that you type into the search bar. For example, if I type in gallery, you will find several articles on uploading or deleting photos. Clicking on these will give you step-by-step instructions. If the example that you're searching for doesn't populate, like how to create a hub, then you can scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on the Get in Touch button. For instance, in the subject line, you can type Create a Hub, and in How We Can Help You, you could provide us your name, your Rallyhood email address, what council you're a part of, and the troop rally you are interested in creating your hub for. You can also insert an image and an emoji. Please make sure that you send this message. Additionally, you can click on the Ask button at the top of the page, where you can insert all of the same information. This gives you the ability to directly message our support team here at Rallyhood. Response typically is within 24 hours. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com. Thank you.